Hello friends, good evening everybody. Are you happy today? Yes, please. If you honestly want to learn the speaking good English, then please watch this video till the end. Basic grammar is more essential for learning the speaking good English. Learning English is a long time process. You cannot learn this language in a couple of weeks, in a couple of months. So if you honestly want to learn this language, then you will have to patience and you should do 4 tasks regularly, even without missing a single day. If you do 4 tasks regularly, you can learn this language easily. English is not more difficult language. It is very good language. It is simple language. But unfortunately, we have been taught the English as a subject, whereas it would have taught us as a language. So now we are not very much late at this time. This language can be learnt in the easy way. But we have to do 4 tasks regularly, even without missing a single day. At least 2 pages you have to read, at least 2 pages you have to write, at least half an hour you have to listen, and at least 15 minutes you have to try to speak in English. Gradually your speaking skill will increase and one day you will able to speak good English. But please don't feel inferiority complex. English comes by speaking English. If you make mistake at the time of speaking English, you don't worry about making mistake. Everyone makes the mistake in the initial stage. So if you make mistake, you don't worry. You don't worry about the people that when I speak in front of the people and people will make fun me. So you let them make fun. You don't worry about them and you must pay your concentration toward your learning English language. If you do 4 tasks regularly, very soon you will able to speak good English. As far as the English is concerned, it is not our mother tongue, it is second language for us. So if we make mistake, we should not feel more about making mistake, because English is the second language for us, and in the initial stage everyone makes a mistake. So we should not more think about the making mistake, because English comes by speaking English. If you speak as much as possible, you listen as much as possible, your more focus must be on 2 tasks. One of is listen as much as possible, speak as much as possible. If you do 4 tasks regularly, very soon you can learn how to speak fluent English. So I think, and you should get enough knowledge, basic knowledge of the grammar. Without basic knowledge of the grammar, how can you form the sentence? So basic knowledge is more essential, because we don't have English atmosphere, because we are living in the state where 100% people speak the Hindi. So under these circumstances, without having environment, atmosphere, without all these things, it is more difficult for us. That is why we need to basic knowledge of the grammar. English can be learned without the basic knowledge of the grammar, but there should be English atmosphere. English can be learned by listening. So we don't have English atmosphere. Under these circumstances, we need basic knowledge of the grammar. So if you have basic knowledge of the grammar, you will speak correctly. You will not make any kind of spelling mistake. So that will be better and excellent. So please watch this video. Thank you for watching this video. like, share and subscribe my video. Increase my courage. I am also a learner. By the grace of Almighty, I am become able to speak good English, but at this time I am not able to speak fluent English. But it doesn't happen in a day, but it will happen one day. Nothing happens all of sudden. Everything happens gradually. So please have patience and do this task regularly. By the grace of Almighty, one day you will able to speak perfect English. Thank you for watching this video.